hip-hop's back again.
You roll with the funk, you can't fake it, kids.
Stay the same, never do a run game on my people.
Tell them hip-hop's back again.
Hip-hop's my hot, my Gandhi, confidently. You know how we do.
Real hip-hop, real hip-hop.
It's for the people that be struggling, trying to get ahead. It's for the people that's eating, but they ain't fully fed. It's for the people in the shelter that be homeless. Know you got a purpose regardless, you gotta hone this. Passion for living, stay enhanced and it's giving. Never fully living in the moment, reminiscing. For the people that be weak, for the people that be strong. For the people in the street, all my people sing along. Keep trying, moving and proving you never lose. Flying, cruising and choosing and showing proof. People that be sick, all these people never better still. It's for the people that spit and never get a deal. Let's keep the focus, never hopeless, niggas steady grinding. Rock hard like a boulder, shining like a diamond. And if consistence will help you go the distance, let's see persistence and wear down resistance.
Hip-hop's back again.
You roll with the funk, you can't fake it, kids.
Stay the same, never do a run game on my people.
Tell them hip-hop's back again.
Hip-hop's my hot, my Gandhi, confidently. You know how we do.
Real hip-hop,
Hey, yo,
real hip-hop.
it's for the people that struggle just to get by. It's for the people that's drug addicted and getting high. It's for the people that be working so hard, but everything you're trying to build, it's like it's falling apart. For the people that be hurt, or the people that be sad, or the people going to work, or the people in the jag, or the people's in the gutters, every daughter, every sister. Stayed in coast to coast, so my brothers and my sisters keep trying. Passion for living, it's never given. Deep flying, take it to levels you never took it here. Cause hard times don't last forever. I'm a testament that you can make it right or whatever. Share, listen, keep the focus, never hope, steady grinding. Rock hard like a boulder, shining like